Hi, I'm Carmen, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to budget for your BAS. Now I'm going to make an assumption that you are actually reporting on a quarterly basis and you're registered for GST. So there's a few things that need to go on a BAS, and I'm only going to cover the most common ones. Please refer to your latest BAS to see if there's amounts at other fields, like for example fringe benefits tax, which I'm not going to be covering today. GST is the most common one. If you want to know how much GST you need to set aside, you need to run a balance sheet report and look at the liabilities section and find the account that says GST. Now you need to know whether you're reporting GST on a cash or an accruals basis. Please refer to my other video if you need more information about this. So basically you can run reports on a periodic basis. It could be every week, it could be every month, to start to get a feel for the balances in these accounts. So for example, if you ran the report at the end of October and for that particular month, it was $10,000, then you know that on a monthly basis you need to set aside $10,000. So for PAYG withheld, you're also looking for that account on your balance sheet. So not only GST, but PAYG withheld. And those balances will help you establish what it is that you're likely to owe. You also want to add to that any PAYG instalment that may be pre-printed on your BAS. Now I'm going to add a little caveat here. If you're not up to date with your payments, or if perhaps your bookkeeper has not been doing entries to those accounts to clear them out every time a BAS is lodged and posting it to a separate account, then those accounts will be overstated and might give you a little bit of a shock. It's perhaps not what you owe for that quarter, it might be what you owe in total. The next one is superannuation. So this is an area where a lot of businesses don't pay superannuation on time, and it's actually quite dangerous to the business owner because they're personally liable for unpaid superannuation. So the same thing applies. Run a balance sheet as at a particular date, say the end of December, and have a look at the balance of the superannuation payable liability account. That will tell you how much money you owe for superannuation. If you've got any questions, again, ask your friendly bookkeeper to explain it to you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.